In this video we will be fitting a set of upgrade LED rear lights into this Porsche Boxster 986. This LED rear light set is designed to look similar to the 718 style rear lights. So we'll run through the full process on getting these rear lights installed. First of all, we need to remove the piece of carpet which is covering the inside of the rear light. This is held in with plastic trim clips. The light unit is held in with 4 8mm nuts. Once the 4 nuts have been removed, you can gently pull the rear light unit itself out of the vehicle. Once the light is removed, undo the wiring loom. If you pinch the tabs on each side of the plug and pull, this will release the loom from the rear light. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. The overall build quality is really good. These lights have a really nice finish to them. This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant for right and drive vehicles. First install the rear light gasket. This kit comes with a pair of these. This kit also comes with a resistor unit. So you can now plug the resistors into the plug on the new rear light. On the rear is some 3M double-sided tape. Peel this off and stick it inside onto a metal surface. These resistors are designed to get warm. I would not recommend sticking this onto any sort of plastic surface. Then plug the wiring loom from the vehicle also into the new rear light unit. When placing the rear light unit back into position, just gently feed the wiring back through, just ensuring nothing gets snagged. Now install the 4 8mm nuts and also the inner carpet trim. Let's see how these lights look. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.